Can you run OpenClaw completely locally? Is it a good idea? And do you need to shell out 0.0088 bitcoins for a Mac Mini? In today's video, I'll get my claws and the Raspberry Pi, fight my way through some wipe coded code, and let you know the answers. Some of them. Mostly. I was not sure when I started preparing for this video at the beginning of the week. On the one hand, I saw the news about Mac Mini shortage and Raspberry Pi shortage. Then there were some out-of-this-world claims about our insert your name claw runs on 10 USD hardware. Then, on the other hand, knowing the capabilities of small language models, I thought to myself, of course these people know that they will only be able to run the wrapper or the gateway on that 10 USD hardware. Of course they know. And then I went to the real world. Okay, not really, just Reddit. And there were posts like this one. I felt pretty hard for the you too could load OpenClaw on Mac Mini M4 and be super cool. Yeah. I guess I gotta speak to those people and others. Yes, you can run OpenClaw and other claws completely locally. No, you cannot do it on Raspberry Pi or a 10 USD SBC or a microcontroller. You cannot do it on Mac Mini either, so you might as well keep those $599. OpenClaw by itself is an assistant framework. It does not come with the batteries included, meaning you have to do quite a bit of setup yourself. And most importantly, you need to connect it to the language model, AI or chat, or whatever youngsters call it these days. That part is actually the most computationally intensive one. We can run small language models on the consumer hardware. I do it regularly on this channel, like Raspberry Pi and other Pis or Mac Mini, but the smaller model, the less smart it is. Or let's say it has less generic knowledge inside its weights. The bare minimum among local models would be GPT-oss 20 billion. And to run that with acceptable speed, you would need a decent GPU. The original OpenClaw is extremely finicky to run in Docker, up to the point where you can consider it's not usable in Docker. And no way I'm giving my machine with all those coin in my wallet on my hard drive to Mr. Clint Clausen right here. So the next best option is to run Ollama on your PC with GPU and run OpenClaw instance on Raspberry Pi or some other cheaper Pi, thin clients, or even slightly older laptop or PC. You can run a system layer on a very constrained hardware with some other claws, for example ZeroClaw or PicoClaw, but, and it's a big but, these are not forks, but rather re-implementations of original OpenClaw in other programming language. They differ quite a lot in what they offer, more on that in later videos. Just don't think you're going to be getting the same thing, for better or worse, when you install, for example, PicoClaw. I picked a Pi 5, flashed the latest image and put it into it. There is an article on the Raspberry Pi blog talking about how easy it is to install and use OpenClaw on Raspberry Pi. Just run this bash script without looking and see the magic in action, they said. I was almost ready to give up at this point, but then I went to the kitchen for a snack break and I saw this, and I knew it was a sign that I must continue. After fixing node permission issue and reverting to the previous version of OpenClaw because of this bug, maybe already fixed by now, I finally had OpenClaw installed and not working. A few more fixes, setting up the correct context lengths, installing Chromium and configuring it, and finally I had the bot chatting with me on Telegram. GPT-oss 20 billion does okay at basic tasks, like editing its own workspace files, fetching web pages, and using web browser. The last one required a bit more prompting. It failed to send me a full document, and it could not send reminders itself. So clearly work in progress here. Even though using OpenClaw with smaller models is not quite as magical as the frontier models, obviously, there are some really good reasons for that, namely the costs, the privacy, and the complete control over your local model. I'll be making a few follow-up videos shortly, trying the other claws and also other bigger and smaller models. So subscribe to see that.